Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Aquarius in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs, or you could be somebody with a different sun sign but you are drawn to this video. So if you feel drawn to this video, then definitely this could be your reading. You may have a message here, okay? So go with your heart and you can go ahead and watch the reading. So let's see, Aquarius, what do we have in store for you? This is for my Aquarius. All right, the first two cards, Eight of Swords and Page of Wands. All right, Queen of Pentacles. I think this had to come here. This had to come here. Okay. Six of Wands. Oh my god. So let's see. I hope you can see all the cards. I'll keep it here. Yeah. Knight of Wands. Let me pull all the cards and then I'll start your reading, okay? We'll see your energies, your person's energies, and what's coming next for you in love. We will see if we have any message for my singles also. Aquarius who are single. Wow, Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords. Judgment. What else? Please give me a message. Okay. So I'll take these two as it is because I have Three of Pentacles with Temperance here. Queen of Cups, bottom of the deck. All right. Death. Okay. Aquarius, as far as your person is concerned right now, this person is mad after you. This is somebody who has immense love for you. You both are missing each other, Aquarius. You both cannot live without each other. This person, like, I don't know, some of you, I feel that you are trapped in a situation. You don't know the way forward. You are stuck with some things, okay? Some of you, I feel that you have learned lessons the hard way in life. Like, you're a complete different person today, Aquarius. I see that you have been through a lot in your life, a lot. Like some major changes, you're going through some major changes right now, Aquarius, and this has changed you as a person. You are like a completely changed person today, Aquarius. You feel that you have been through a lot and you are no longer the same person that you were in the past. Some of you, I feel that you are dealing with somebody who was not giving you any commitment. I see inconsistency, like you're literally dealing with somebody who has not been sure about you. This person kept you waiting for a long time. They were in and out. You never got any clarity from this person. Okay, you are in this place, Aquarius, where this person has put you on hold, like you're waiting for commitment and this person was trying to run away from this commitment in the past. Okay, this has brought a lot of stress in your life. You have been thinking, you've been through sleepless nights. Now you've come to a point where you don't know the way forward, you are stuck. Okay, somehow still you have hopes that maybe this person will come back to you. Okay, for some of you, I don't know why, guys, I feel that now this is for very few of you. There was some sort of distance between you and this person. Now this is for some of you. Whatever it is, the separation has taught you many things, you and your person. This person is coming back to you. Some of you, you are literally on a verge of moving on, like you want to explore some other options, or you are trying to know somebody else, but right when you will go forward, this person is coming back to you. They have realized that they cannot do without you. This person is having sleepless nights. They can't do without you, Aquarius. They have been thinking a lot of lately about you. They have realized your importance. They have made up their mind to work on this relationship with you. So whatever it is, expect a communication, expect a call, message. They are not going anywhere. They are coming back to you. Okay, it is like universe bringing them back to you. In some cases, this person is literally praying to have you in their life, like they want you by hook or by crook. This person is literally seeking justice. This person is literally praying to God that they want to have you back in their life. This person is literally planning on how to have you back in their life. Okay, so expect a communication. They are not going anywhere. They are crazy. They are mad for you. I don't know, some of you could be dealing with a Leo. This could be a Libra. This could be Aries, Leo, Saggy. Okay, I do see Aries, Leo, Saggy, Leo strongly, Libra strongly, Scorpio, Capricorn. Yeah, these sun signs are strong here. See, sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are more prominent here. And Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius too. So either a air sign or a fire sign, very strong. Okay, so you could be dealing with somebody with these sun signs. Let's see, how do they feel for you? Let's see, how do they feel for you? A message from them. You put smile on my face whenever I see you. Okay, I think they smile a lot whenever they are with you. They are very happy. You are their happiness. You are their happiness, and this is, I don't know, this is a strong commitment, Aquarius. So whoever you're dealing with, they're coming back to you. You both have immense love for each other. So I don't see you guys going away from each other. My love is emotional, physical, and unconditional. There is no fun without you in my life. Okay. So these were the messages. This person is crazy. There is no fun without you in their life. This is what they want to tell you. You both are connected. You both are connected. See, they love you so much. Emotionally, physically, unconditionally. This is what they feel for you. Some of you, maybe you're very funny. You make them laugh a lot. Okay, this person feels that they are happy with you always. Alright. So let's see, what messages do we have for my singles. What messages do we have for my singles? Any message for my singles? Singles, some of you, 5 of Swords. Some of you, I think somebody has hurt you badly. Okay. Yeah, someone has hurt you. Maybe you are dealing with the players, like I don't know, there is somebody in your life already, and maybe you're knowing this person, but this person is very cold, distant. They are not talking to you, and this has brought you in a position where you don't know the way forward. You don't know whether to invest and take this forward with this person or not. Okay, so you don't know. So you are in no hush, and some major changes happening in your life, singles. Okay, go for good. And some of you, be careful. Maybe you are dealing with a player, like There is somebody, but this person is heartless. I would say they don't really care about how you feel, and this has brought you in a place where you don't want to invest any further and you are hesitant. Yeah, so this has brought you to a place where you don't know whether to invest on this person or not. Like, could be that you're seeing each other, this is just a casual friendship or something more than friendship. Like, you felt that this connection was very good, but then all of a sudden you feel that this person is not the right kinds. So maybe they are not what you thought when you first met them, and this person is showing their true colors. Okay, maybe this is a friend of yours, you were connecting, but all of a sudden things have stopped. Okay, you thought that this is a potential and this could be the one, but then now things are just not working the way you expected them to be, singles. And whatever it is, I feel that this is a player. I don't think you should be with this person. Okay, be careful. Anyways, the right person will come at the right time. I don't see anybody. You're being asked to manifest. Okay, some of you, there are some big changes happening for you, and go with the flow. You're being asked to manifest this person. And yeah, this could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who may come in your life very soon. Alright, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could be an Aries. Yeah, this could be an Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who may come in your life very soon. Alright, so you're being asked to manifest this person. And the others of you, you are talking to somebody, but this person is acting weird, cold, distant. Alright, but I don't feel this is the one for you. I don't know, I don't feel this is the one for you. Okay, this is somebody who is making you go through a lot. It's like you feel that you are doing all the work, this person is not investing enough in this relationship. Okay, so anyways, I don't feel that this is the one for you, because this is a narcissist. This is not the right person. This could be a player, somebody, you know, who doesn't value people or value relationships. So be careful, singles. Don't hurry. As far as love is concerned, don't hush into relationships. Okay, I see a new person coming your way, but you will have to manifest that new person. And second is, you will have to be patient. Okay, universe is working for you, you just have to be patient. Look at this, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Things are being planned for you, but you just have to wait for the right time. Okay, singles, so that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.